Hello everyone, welcome to the very first episode of the channel. I'm Cloman and I am super excited to have you here. If you are passionate about technology, love getting your hands on the latest in cloud, DevOps, open source tools, cybersecurity, Kubernetes, or just want to stay on top of what's happening in the world of IT, you have landed in the right place. I have spent 30 years in IT industry working with teams across different domains, from enterprise cloud migration to automating complex deployment and securing infrastructure. And now I want to share everything I have learned with you. This channel is all about simplifying complex technologies. Whether you are an aspiring IT professional, a seasoned engineer, or just a curious learner, my goal is to break things down in a way that's practical, understandable, and above all, useful in the real world. So, what you can expect here? In-depth tutorials. We will deep dive major cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, step-by-step guides, best practices, and real-world use cases. DevOps deep dives from CI/CD pipelines to infrastructure as code. We'll explore tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Terraform, Ansible, and more. Kubernetes simplified. Whether you are new to Kubernetes or looking to master it, I will guide you through deployments, monitoring, scaling, and security. Cybersecurity awareness. We will talk about cybersecurity, best practices, vulnerabilities, and how to build secure system in the cloud. Open source projects. Discover cool projects, contribute, and see how open source is changing the tech landscapes. Weekly IT tech news. Stay updated in the latest trends, product release, and industry moves. So if you are looking to level up your tech game or just stay sharp and informed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button if you are excited, and don't forget to tap the notification bell if you never want to miss an update. Also connect with me in the comments. Tell me what topics you would like to cover and what you are currently working on. I would like to build a community, whether you are learn, grow, succeed together. Thanks again for stopping by. This is just the beginning. I'm glad you are on this journey with me.